In this video, I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing the Silhouette Cameo 4 Pro. And we're going to start right now. Welcome back to the channel, and if you are new here, make sure to click that subscribe button and notification bell just down below. Let's jump into the video. Today I am excited because we have a new machine that we have added to the family. It is the Silhouette Cameo 4 Pro. I've waited for about 3 months to get this Silhouette Cameo Pro, and it is finally here. And we're going to be unboxing it. We're going to be taking a look at it. We're going to be reviewing it. I'm so excited right now. We are not going to be doing any cutting with it today, but for sure we're going to be unboxing and reviewing. I'm going to be showing you every single thing that's in this box. Let's jump in to this video. So the first thing I'm going to do is get my cutting blade. And I'm all excited and ready for this unboxing and reviewing. Alright, so let's see what's in the box. So we have some Oracle 651 vinyl, and I'm guessing this is around 12 by 12 inches, 12 by 12. We have that. We have Oracle 641 vinyl. And if you guys haven't saw me use Oracle 651, you should click on the cue card right now at the top of the screen, and you can actually watch me applying that to a wine glass. You can also watch me applying it to a photo frame or to a plate. Here we have some transfer tape. All right. And we have some pieces here, and I'm guessing this is for the front of the machine. And we're going to dive deeper into it. And I must mention that they actually packed this Cameo very, very nice. And they have most of the stuff, moving parts, taped up so that they will not move or get damaged. So you want to make sure you get all of the blue tape or any safety tape that they have within the machine. You want to make sure you get all that tape out first before you actually boot up your machine or start using it. Very, very, very important. All right, so now let's dig deeper into this Cameo Pro. Let's find out what is behind the scenes of this Cameo Pro. Firstly, what I love is the lid is retractable, so that is very, very, very nice. Right off the bat, clearly you can see that the bar it looks more sturdy to me. It's different. They have upgraded it, and this is what I love about it. It looks very, very nice. It looks sturdy, and it looks like it's ready for action. As you can see, we have the two standard cartridges here, where your auto blade goes in number 1 and your special tools can go in number 2. What else do we see here? We have I want to show you this special compartment here. This special compartment here, you can actually place your auto blade, or you can place a blade in this section, or if you have some special tool, you can place it in this section here, just so you can save it and keep it just in case you may not want to lose it. So you can always put it in this section here. And I have my auto blade here, and also a adapter tool I'm going to show you. So you can take my auto blade or my adapter, you can put it in there, and you can safely secure it in that section of the Cameo, which I love. And now while we're on blades, you want to make sure that you install your blade, auto blade, into the number 1 cartridge, and you want to make sure you hear that click. And also there's a little blue or teal color that you will see once the blade and everything is snapped in. You should see it right here. Also, we have our adapter tool, which can be used for your sketch pens. And you may be wondering, what does this little tool do? I'm going to show you. With this little tool, and I'm hoping that I'm close enough, you can actually remove or adjust your blade. So you can actually remove your blade or adjust the blade by this little tool here. Okay. All right. So I want to dig deeper also into talking about this bar. Firstly, we can adjust this section here. You just have this knob here or this lever. You can flick it down and you would be able to actually adjust your rolling bar from left to right and from right to left. What we're going to do now and what we're going to look at is at the back of this Cameo. You see, the thing about it is at the back of this Cameo, it's pretty long. At the back, it has a section where you can actually cut the vinyl very, very easily. So your vinyl would feed through the back of here. You have two levers here that you have to clip down and you just slide across and it would cut the vinyl straight and clean for you. Some of the items that I would have mentioned earlier that came with the Cameo. So we have the USB card, just in case you don't want to use the Bluetooth option, because this has Bluetooth. If you don't want to use the Bluetooth option, you can use your USB card and plug it directly into your computer. We have our adapter here, which we're going to plug in and test to see and make sure that our machine is working. All right, so the machine is on right now and I'm not sure if you can see from that far, but it's saying Cameo Pro. I'm gonna lift it up and to show you. Cameo Pro has that LED light there, so it's on. It's looking good. As you can see, you have the Bluetooth icon there, and you have two different icons there also. I'm gonna go ahead and turn it off. All right, so let's take a look at the roll feeder. We have the roll feeder here, and what we're going to do is put this roll feeder together. So it comes basically with about 4 to 5 different pieces, and we're going to put these pieces together. So we're going to retract the lid, and what you would realize is there's actually this hook here. I would call it a hook or compartment where it would sit neat and nicely under the Cameo. So here we go. And before I actually place this under here, I'm going to show you that even this roll feeder here, it has a knob, a little knob here that you can actually adjust your rolls. But we're going to talk about that a little bit more. So we're going to start on this side. Make sure that it is sitting flat. Let's bring it around. And then we're going to take the second one. The thing about it, the second one is actually adjustable. So you can move it from left to right to accommodate your roller, to accommodate when you place your vinyl inside. Let's say you have a 12 by 12, or let's say you have something much bigger, you can adjust it to suit. All right, then we have this small little piece, and then we have this piece here, and there you go. So for example, let's say that you had your vinyl and you wanted to feed it in without using your mat, you would be able to actually adjust this from left to right to suit yourself. You place it in, and you could adjust it to suit. What you would do is adjust your bar. Make sure it's sitting correctly. And then what you would do is just feed your vinyl through the machine. Okay, but the machine is off, of course. All right, what we have next is this piece. And this piece can also help to support the mat. And I'm going to show you that part right now. All right, so we have all of our pieces set up. And what I wanted to show you is that this machine came with very large mat. Very large mat. And this green piece of paper you're seeing here, this is to protect the mat itself. So you would want to actually peel that off before you place your vinyl on top of there to cut. But just to support the mat, we have this big section here. What you'll want to do is now you would line up your mat. Now this is where we can actually adjust our bar again. You want to line up your mat with the guides that were placed on the machine for you. As you can see, that is supporting the mat right here. It's actually supporting the mat, and ours are in. All right. And it would normally feed you on its own. Afterwards, of course, you will set up whatever print job you're setting up, and you will go from there. All right, so what do I think about the Cameo Pro? I really think that the Cameo Pro is a really good investment. It came with the manual, it came with the pens, it came with 3 blades, 2 craft blades, and the standard Cameo 4 blade. It came with Oracle 651 and Oracle 654 vinyl, and it came with that large mat that you saw much earlier. I think this is a really good investment. This have a lot of different features. Of course, it's an upgrade from the Cameo 4 and the Cameo 4 Plus. The Cameo 4 is just 12 inches. The Cameo 4 Plus is 15 inches. And this bad boy, the Cameo Pro, as you can see there, is 24 inches. So if you're into doing larger projects, larger jobs, this Cameo Pro will definitely work for you. In my upcoming videos, I will be utilizing this Cameo Pro to do some projects to show you different things. We're going to be doing a series on the Cameo Pro, showing you the different features in Silhouette Studio and also here. So I want to thank you for sticking with me right to the end of this video, and I want to thank you for all your love and your support with your subscriptions, with your likes and your comments. So tell me what you think about the Cameo 4 Pro. The Cameo Pro is here. I love it. It is amazing. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.